Hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a Telegram account or make a Telegram account. So first, head into your Play Store or App Store, and then click the search button and the search bar here, and then type in Telegram. Now search it, and as you can see here, this is the Telegram application. Click on this and then click the install button. Just wait for this installation. And as you can see here, we have finished installing Telegram into our phone. Now click the open. Then click start messaging. Click the continue. And click allow. Now you just need to input your number here. And then click next. Allow it again. You need to add an email for your account. So type in your email. Then click next. It will send a verification code to our email. And then type that in this input box. Now it will send a code to our phone using SMS. And as you can see here, I have inputted my code. Now, you just need to input your first name and your last name. Then click the next button here, and that's it. You have created your Telegram account. That is how you can create or make your Telegram account, and thank you for listening.